Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Curtail package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via importing ppa repo by running the next command. Run the next command to update the packages. Then install Curtail as shown. Now you can access Curtail through the command line or just by system search bar and icon. Curtail will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.